Feeling like the team at Product Hype was on my side of the table was really beneficial, especially in such an intense time for a really big launch and a very short timeline. I'm Katie Campisi. I'm a senior product marketing manager at Panther. Panther is the complete AI SOC platform. We combine a detection engine with the data lake and an AI SOC agent that helps close the loop on your security outcomes. The thing that stood out the most about Product Hype was that the quality was very high, and I knew that it could be done in our budget, and the team was super receptive. They were very collaborative, very willing to be along for this very fast-paced timeline that we had to work with. And I really enjoyed that before they actually started building any videos, there was a very thorough script and storyboard so that they weren't going to spend time building something that didn't align with our vision and we could sign off on before we got to that step. Then when they started making the video, everything went very fast from there because we'd already agreed on what it should look like. I really loved the look of the video. The aesthetic is very professional and very polished, and that's exactly what we wanted to communicate with this project. Now we have something short, succinct, polished that communicates to people exactly who Panther is very quickly. So with a 20-second video, I'm not surprised that the watch metrics show that 98% of people watch all the way through. The video has more views than any of the other videos we've posted in the last, 6 to 12 months. Having a team that was able to very quickly understand our vision and put together something so polished and so professional that very accurately captured everything I wanted it to was unbelievably valuable.